Welcome to the Flu Shot Optimizer. This is a guided meditation for use before, during, and or after your flu shot. This video does not replace getting a flu shot. The Flu Shot Optimizer is a tool for relaxation and positive suggestions. Research has shown that being in a good mood might optimize the effectiveness of your flu shot. In addition, many studies show relaxation and positive suggestions might improve the overall efficiency of your immune system. Imagine, if you will, the Flu Shot Optimizer, a tool for relaxation and positive suggestions. It can be what you see and hear in this video, or anything you want it to be. You can stop any time or mentally change anything you want. You are in charge of all this. As you might know, relaxation helps with many health problems. Therefore, you might want to relax now. Since you want your flu shot to be optimized, let us start right now. To begin, please relax as much as you can right now. Maybe focus on what you see and hear in this video. It might be hard, but you can do it. Relax. You are doing fine. You are in control of your breathing. If you are having trouble breathing, do the best you can. It will get better. Please now breathe in as deep as you can. Exhale out as deep as you can. Breathe in again as deep as you can. Exhale slowly as much as you can. Breathe in again deeply. Hold. Exhale slowly. Please keep breathing at a nice, steady, even pace. You are in control and doing fine. Now please relax and quiet your mind. Shh, you might say to your mind. You know that if there is an emergency while you are relaxed, you will instantly wake up and respond. Whatever is bothering you, please release it. Let it float away, far, far away from you. Do your best to release this concern for now. Continue to breathe deeply. Thank your mind for relaxing and quieting down. It feels so good and peaceful now. You are doing fine. Now please think of a limp, wet noodle. Please make each part of your body just like the wet noodle. Start with your head, your face, your neck, your shoulder, your shoulders, your upper body, your upper back, your chest, your lower body, your stomach, and your lower back, your legs, your feet, and your toes. Please go back and mentally rub any area that is still tense. You now feel entirely flexible, limp, droopy, flimsy, floppy, relaxed, slack, soft, and tired. You can close your eyes or keep them open. You are in control of all this. Continue to breathe deeply. Thank your body for relaxing. You are doing just fine. Your wonderful body is now in an optimum mode, ready for flu shot optimization. See your breathing, heart rate, temperature, all returning to normal. Every part of you is returning to good health. See all of you in fine shape. You are now in a good mood, with increased energy, more alertness, having a sense of well-being, and friendly. You see yourself as happy and content. You are now ready for your flu shot. You might be scared of the actual flu shot, and this is understandable. You want to get the flu shot, though, to stay healthy. You can do it. Be brave. This is so good for you. Relax as you get your shot, because it won't hurt as much that way. Ouch, you might say. Then it is done. You did it. Good for you. Now imagine your flu vaccine rushing through your body, knowing exactly where to go and what to do. You can also imagine your flu vaccine updating to the current viruses, strains, and mutations. Whatever virus is near you, you are automatically protected, you might imagine. Perhaps you could think of your flu shot automatically updating, just like the antivirus software on a computer. Whatever you imagine, it might come true. Your wonderful body and mind are working together to protect you all day and all night. You can be confident your flu shot is indeed optimized within you continually. You can forget about it, since you know it is working optimally. As long as we're at it, let's optimize our whole immune system to take care of anything harmful. Let's do it right now. From now on, you can imagine your wonderful immune system working just right. Envision your whole body, mind, and spirit being protected internally from harmful attacks. Whatever happens, you want to get over it as fast and as complete as possible. This is possible because you think your immune system has been optimized. From now on, you want to practice good health habits, like washing your hands, to help your flu vaccine work best. You must be very proud of yourself. Congratulations. Everyone will be amazed to see how healthy, happy, and confident you are now. You see yourself having a healthy, happy life. Each day, you learn how to handle stressful situations better. It is now time to wake up. Please mentally disconnect from the flu shot optimizer, knowing that you can always return as often as you like. Each time you watch this relaxing video, you can optimize deeper and more completely. You are ready to wake up right now. 1. Waking up feeling healthy and happy. Deep breath in. 2. Reaching for health and happiness. Eyes open. 3. Full of hope, ready and willing to work for good health and happiness. 4. Approving of yourself as healthy and happy. Another deep breath. 5. Seeing your new, healthy, happy, independent self. Right now, please lightly rub your fingers together why you think how good you feel. From now on, whenever you rub your fingers together like this, you can remember how good you feel right now. You can always return to this healthy, happy state anytime you want.